Hi everyone, welcome to my Persian Corner. My name is Panta, and today in Tehran it's a cold, cloudy, drizzly day, so I figured it's a good chance to talk about the weather and weather-related vocabulary, as well as a couple of common expressions related to the weather. So let's get started. Our word for weather is hava. Hava. Then we have aftab, aftabi. Abr, abri. And we can also say nime abri. Baran, barani. Baran is also a girl's name, but remember in spoken Persian, I said, I think in the previous video, that an is commonly pronounced un. So in speaking, we would say barun, baruni. So you're starting to see the pattern here, right? We have the noun, and then just by adding the E to the end, we get the adjective form, kind of similar to the way we do it in English. So then there's barf and barfi. Tufan, tufani. Meh, mehalud. So the exception to the rule. Then we have bod or Nasim, and Nasim is also a girl's name. Tagarg, which I feel like is useful for Tehran because it hails like this. And Rad o Barq. With these last few, it's more common to use our verb amadan, which is to come. So for example, we would say bod miyad or tagarg miyad, rather than having the adjective form of these words. Then we have damay hava, garm, sard, khonak. Now I can ask you, hava chetore? تهران هوا ابریه، بارونیه و خنکه. Actually, I don't think it's really raining at the moment. I think it's more like drizzling. So I could say nam nam barun miyad. And again with barun, I'm using my verb amadan, which is to come. But I could also say barun mibare or barf mibare. And this is from our verb baridan. So we use this verb for rain or snow. Here's a screenshot of the weather forecast in Tehran for today. امروز دوشنبه است 16 اسفند 1400. دمای هوا 10 درجه است و بارونیه و ابری. هوا سرده. فردا سه‌شنبه هوا نیمه آفتابی و نیمه بارونیه و خنکه. پس فردا چهارشنبه هوا نیمه ابریه. پنجشنبه و جمعه هوا بارونیه و شنبه و یکشنبه هوا نیمه ابریه و دمای هوا 17 درجه است. A couple of expressions related to the weather that are pretty common are, the first one is hava to daram. Hava to daram. And if you have some Iranian friends, you might have heard them say this one. Iranians commonly like to translate this literally into English because it sounds kind of funny. It literally means I have your weather. But what it actually means is that, like, I support you, I got your back, is basically what it's saying. Hava to daram. The other expression is hava do nafaras. Hava do nafaras, which kind of means like the weather is for two people. And it's this idea of when, it's kind of rainy and drizzly and kind of cozy, this romantic idea of strolling down the street with somebody in these weather conditions. Thank you so much for spending your time with me and learning this lesson. Maybe in the comments, tell me where you're from and how the weather is in your parts.
a little small talk in Persian. And as always, there are PDFs available on the blog with the vocabulary and grammar, as well as a full explanation and conjugation of our verb آمدن. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Invite your friends or share it with someone who you think might be interested in Iranian culture or learning the Persian language. And I look forward to seeing you in the next videos. Khodafis.